It'll be warm and sunny tomorrow. Yay, let's go to the beach. Talking about weather. This is an easy way to talk about the weather. Use the verb be and an adjective to describe the weather. Also say the day or time you are talking about. Temperature. You can use 5 words for the temperature. Repeat. Hot, warm, mild, cool, cold. You probably know about cold and hot. Cold means the temperature is low and you feel uncomfortable. When we think of cold, we think of winter. Hot means the temperature is high and you feel uncomfortable. When we think of hot, we think of summer. Warm means the temperature is comfortable outside in a t-shirt and shorts. Cool means the temperature is low, but not cold. When it's cool, you want to wear long pants and a light jacket. When we think of warm and cool, we think of spring and fall. Mild temperature is perfect. It's not too cool or too warm. Let's make some sentences using these sentence stems. Repeat, it's cold today. Repeat, it was hot yesterday. Repeat, it'll be cool tomorrow. Now let's look at some different types of weather. You will see the weather in the photos. Repeat, sunny. Repeat, it's a sunny day today. Repeat, cloudy. Repeat, it was cloudy yesterday. Rainy. It'll be rainy tomorrow. Snowy. It's snowy today. Foggy. It was foggy this morning. Windy. It's windy today. We can also make sentences with 2 weather words. Repeat, it's warm and sunny today. Let's go to the beach. It'll be cold and snowy in the mountains. It's cool and rainy. Wear your raincoat. It was cold and windy yesterday. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.